Happy Monday, guys. By the time you guys are seeing this video, it'll actually be Tuesday. Okay guys, I am interrupting today's video. This is so in real time, you have no idea. So I'm editing yesterday's video and I'm about to put it up, but I've been reading, oops, that was not smart. I've been reading all the comments for yesterday's videos. There's so many videos going on, I can't even keep track. So I'm reading all the comments and a lot of people are saying the same thing. You guys want to see specifically each day what I'm doing for my workouts and what I'm eating, which I guess definitely makes sense. I guess I was just trying to kind of get into the groove of things and figure out how to talk about specific subjects in each video, because I still do think that's really important. You know, like I really wanted to talk about sleep, but also include workouts and food without making the videos too long. So it's like a very fine game. Like I gotta figure out the formula. I am gonna include that information. So the workout that I did that day, what I ate that day, in each video from now on. So keep an eye out for that. Welcome back to day 4. Are we on day 4? Oh my goodness, day 4 of 30 of my fitness journey, where I will be documenting every single day for the next 30 days for the entire month of November. And if you're new and you're seeing this video for the first time, I'm gonna link all of the past 3 videos in a playlist so you guys can check them out. So today I want to give you guys a really good check-in. I just finished my workout. I feel like now it's time to get a little bit more serious. We're on day 4 and it's amazing how fast your body can feel changes. I already feel so much more leaner and it's only been 4 days. I feel leaner, I feel tighter, I feel lighter, I don't feel as bloated, and it's only been 4 days, you guys. 4 days of eating pretty decent and working out 3 of the 4 days. So that's how fast you can see changes, or you can feel changes in your body. Since we're starting to get a little bit more serious, I'm gonna get more detailed in the workouts that I'm doing and the food that I'm eating. So today I just finished my workout. Here's a breakdown of what I did. I did a half an hour of cardio, running on the treadmill, and a half an hour of weights where I focused on arms and abs. And the cardio consisted of, for the first 15 minutes, I ran on the treadmill and I ran up to a mile, and it took me about 15 minutes to do that. And then once I hit that mile, I jumped off the treadmill and I did weights focusing on arms and abs. So I did everything from bicep curls, tricep curls, shoulder presses. I did that for about 15 minutes, and then I jumped back on the treadmill and I ran for another 15 minutes, but this time I added a little bit of incline. Then hopped off and finished off with another 15 minutes of doing more weights, but this time focusing a little bit more on not just arms, but also adding an element of abs. So doing ab crunches, planks, and then switching back and forth between abs and arms. That was my workout today. If you're joining me on this journey, I want you guys to keep in mind that working out isn't the #1 priority. I think eating right is absolutely #1, and then working out will be additional. It will definitely bump up your fitness level and like your overall health, but it's not the #1 priority. If you can start adding workouts to your routine, that would be amazing. And you can start with anything. You can start with just walking, you could start with just walking on the treadmill or walking outside or going for a hike or running or your favorite yoga class, whatever you want. The most important thing when it comes to workouts is finding something that you really like and you really enjoy. Cutting in again. Okay, so this video is a little bit chopped up because I want it to serve the purpose of what you guys want. So I'm going to now include everything that I ate for the day, so you guys have my meal plan. And I also wanted to mention that I really wanted to weigh myself yesterday, but I stopped myself because there's no point in weighing yourself every other day. There's no point. I'm sticking to only weighing myself once a week, and that is gonna just make a big difference. So I'm only weighing myself once a week. The main thing that I've really noticed is that my clothes fit so much different, like already, and it's only been a few days, you guys. Like that's how fast, when you really watch your diet and you're working out, when you do both, it's like the magic formula. Like it's like, I don't know, the science is there, the proof is in the pudding. Is that the saying? I don't even know. But the point is, when you do both, that's when you see results. And it's only been a few days and I already feel so much different. Like my clothes just feel so much, my clothes are fitting so much different. So I did not step on the scale. I do not step on the scale again until the end of the week or the beginning of next week. So we have a few more days. And that's gonna wrap up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you so much for the feedback, you guys. The comments are amazing. Keep them coming. Make sure you watch all the videos, and if you miss any, you can go back and watch them because I will put them all in a playlist for you guys at the end of this. Okay, bye.